Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can add different types of animations to these right here on OperaGX. So I'm going to add a few websites as an example so you guys can see. So as you can see, my current animations are like this. It hovers and moves according to my mouse. But let's say this is not the animations I want. What I'd simply have to do is go to the top right here, where you can find this easy setup. From there we have multiple options. What I'm going to do is go to animations tab. In tile animation we have a few like slide out. So this is quite a nice one. I used to use this before. We have blink. It does a small blink. I'm not sure you guys can tell. This is quite a subtle one. I don't recommend it. And none, which I do not recommend at all. The best ones I recommend are hovercraft and slide out. These two make it quite easy for you to see. Alongside that, if you do want to add websites, you come over here and you can type the address. So let's go to that, youtube.com, and that's that. So there are multiple ways to do this and multiple things you can add, but that's basically going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tutorials. Other than that, I would also like to remind you guys that we are uploading daily from now on, so be sure to hit that bell icon so you do not miss any notifications on when new tech tutorials come out. Other than that, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.